What's up, guys? We finally made it into our room. We just ate some lunch, so now our bellies are full, and I just did a little room tour for you guys, so check it out.
What's up? We are in
DR.
La Dominica Republica. Que lo que?
Guys, we are in my country. We are in Puerto
First
Plata.
time here.
Yeah, this is Hassan's first time here. We are with my Dominican people, and we are gonna be doing an excursion. We're gonna be going to a waterfall, and we're gonna be throwing ourselves. I couldn't bring the camera, but the phone's gonna be enough. So we're gonna get some good footage for you guys.
All details will be down below.
Yes. Are you excited?
Let's go. Putting in a nice hike, getting some photos in.
Getting my steps in.
25 minutes. That's nothing much. Almost there, and then we're jumping off of a cliff on our way back down.
Don't make it sound so scary now. It's not a cliff.
And then eating some Dominicano food. Hopefully some mango. No mango?
It's rice, chicken, and beans.
Rice, chicken, and beans. That's what we're doing.
Why would they give you mango? That's the best thing.
Getting a little sweat in.
Getting our cardio in.
Getting the cardio in. It's a nice hike. So now we're trying chocolate. We just tried coffee. We're having a good time here. Very good experience, guys. I highly recommend. And the guys taking our photos, and Alex is also another good one. Take care of him, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, I'm gonna link everything down below.
I'm talking about a cold.
Ice cream.
I don't even like that.
The massage, we gotta milk. Because you drink in the morning time.
Bro, this was so much.
Why do you want these?
Back to when ice cream.